Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on this silicone face wash. It is actually sold on Amazon for $14.99. It's actually 17% off right now. It's normally $17.99, so that's a really good price. It came with this face wash. It came with a charger. You do need to have a brick to charge it or something to plug in a USB. And as you can see right there, it's completely waterproof. You just stick this into there, and then that's where you plug it in. I've already charged it. It also came with this right here, which I have not opened yet. Which is Pimple Popping Kit. How awesome is that? I actually use these ones all the time. Like the hook. I have like a few different one of these. It just like pokes a hole, and then you just kind of like squeeze out your zip. So you just want to make sure that you always sterilize these before using, and some alcohol. And it also came with this little headband. It has little cute little ears. So that's really good for $14.99, $15, all of the stuff that came with it. Excuse my hair. I took out my extensions, so I feel like I always feel so bald-headed when I do that. And I'm not, but my hair is just like super thin. That's one thing that I don't like about like taping extensions and stuff, is when you take them out, you don't feel yourself. You feel like your hair's just not anything, which is not true. It's just because your hair was so thick with extensions that you don't feel your best. So I always hate taking them out, but I needed to. They had grown out an inch. So with those set, I've had for the last 2 months, like I've had to replace them. So you have to reapply them every 2 months, and it does pull out a lot of hair. And they're like, oh no, that's hair that you normally lose, but it's not, because it has the hair follicles on it. So that was like really disappointing. But okay, so this is completely waterproof. It also is great for like exfoliating, getting blackheads. It deep cleans, all of that fun stuff. It's really nice. It has like thicker bristles, and they used to have one of these. I have another one actually by another brand, and it's $100. So this is a really good price for a face wash, and it does the exact same thing. So why not save money? I do have a bowl of warm water right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start wetting this. This is sold by the brand, what is it? Farsaw is what it's called. Farsaw. Farsaw. So I'm going to go ahead and wet it. It does have up to 5 speeds, so I'm just like dipping it into the water since I'm not by a sink. Normally I just run it underneath the sink. And I'm going to pump a face wash on it. I have already washed my face. I showered earlier, but I just ate sushi and I want to apply makeup, so I'm going to wash my face before doing that. So you hold down the button and it'll turn on. And it does have 5 speeds. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Put it up at the highest speed. It's like tingling my hands from trying to hold on to the vibrations. It actually feels like really, really good. It's getting really deep in there and just getting everything out. I like getting around my nose really well because I do not like blackheads. Around my mouth because that's where I was eating. Okay, so you just hold it down, turn it off. I'm just rinsing it really good. I'm going to dry it with my towel that I have right here. It came in this little case too. It tells a little about it. So it says constant temperature heating, deep cleans the skin, safe and waterproof, firm lift. I need some firm lifting for my face. So I'm just taking like a, is that called a Shazam cloth? I think that's what they're called. I don't even remember. Let me see what it's called. Machine, no. The original makeup eraser is what it's called. I use these just to, I put water on it and just like wipe the soap and stuff off my face. But it works really good for removing your makeup as well. So just getting all that soap off, and I'll dip it one more time. And like so. I'm getting water everywhere. My face is nice and clean. So yes, I really like this. I did get it sent to me for free to review, but I really like it. Like I said, I'll go show you the other one that I have. That's $100, so $14.99, that's really good. Never mind, I don't know where I put it, so I cannot show you that. But it's pretty much the same thing. It just has like a long little handle. If you've watched my boxycharms unboxings, I did receive it in a boxycharm, so it's there. But same quality, does the same thing, way cheaper, and my face feels super clean and smooth. Yes. I will post a link to the Stellar and everything down in the description box below. Like I said, it only retails for $14.99. Really great price, really great product. And yeah, so that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, God bless.